Hi guys and welcome to my IGTV series called I Recommend. So in the first episode of I Recommend, I'm going to start with something which is very basic, eyebrow enhancer. Why eyebrows? Because eyebrow is something which is so important and so basic, but I have seen so many people around me who are interested in makeup. They do their makeup but they leave their eyebrows like they are not very important. So I don't like that sort of ignorance to eyebrows, and I think you should always do your eyebrows with your makeup because it really enhances your face. And I will later show you my video where I'm doing an eyebrow, and you will see how what difference it suddenly brings to your face. It clearly defines your eyes. So if you are a fan of eye makeup, if you're a fan of simple makeup, natural makeup, any sort of makeup, eyebrow plays a very important role. And unless and until your eyebrows are defined, your makeup will not look good. So my recommendation for today is an eyebrow pencil from K Cosmetic. K Cosmetics is the K by Katrina Cosmetics, and this is available for 599 rupees. So the cost is 599 for one pencil, which is a little expensive I feel, but it's like worth it. It's good, it's a good product. I got it on a 10% discount, so I got it for around 509. I don't know what was the discount, but I got it for 509 rupees from Nykaa. So you can buy this online or from the store or wherever it is possible. Now they come in three shades. There is this chestnut, there is hazelnut, and then there is walnut. Okay, there has nothing to do with the nuts, but I don't know why they've placed the colors like that. I mean, the color that I am using, the shade that I have is walnut, and it's perfect for my skin tone. It matches my eyebrows because this is not a very brown and this is not a black. It is a mixture where a little brown and a gray color defines together, so that suits my eyebrows. So you can go ahead and see the shade whichever suits you. You can buy that one. They have a dark, they have a light, and then they have a medium range. Now what I like about this particular eyebrow pencil is that it has a powdery formula. There are a lot of eyebrow pencils which have waxy and a creamy formula, which I do not like because my face sweats a lot, and I feel they, no matter how waterproof they are, I just don't like a very waxy and very creamy kind of an eyebrow pencil, because I don't think they define it very well, because they look artificial to me. I don't like those sort of eyebrow pencils which are creamy or gel based or a tattoo kind of thing. I'll just open it up and show you how it looks. This is the packaging. I'm not going to talk too much about packaging. It's simple cardboard packaging. Now this is how it looks. They have the trademark design that is there on all the cosmetics of K, and it's a simple pencil sort of eyebrow enhancer, and it can be sharpened very easily from any sort of makeup sharpener, kajal sharpener or eyebrow pencil sharpener. So this is how it is. I'll just swatch it for you all. The shade that I have is walnut, and it has a grayish brown. See, not too dark, not too light, perfect for eyebrows. I mean, if it would have been a kajal, it would be very opaque and very dark, but an eyebrow pencil should never be very dark. It has to be like this. Well, the only thing which I do not like about this eyebrow pencil, the only thing which I do not like about is that it does not come up with a spoolie. Now, what is a spoolie? Spoolie is, I'll show you, this kind of a brush, this sort of a brush for eyebrows. So like this is a faces eyebrow enhancer which I was using previously, one of the eyebrow enhancer that I have, and I lost a cap of this spoolie somewhere. Anyway, now this kind of an eyebrow pencil where they have eyebrow enhancer at one side and spoolie on the other side, so I prefer something like this, because then quickly you can brush and then you can shape them, because without a spoolie it's impossible to shape your eyebrows. For me it is impossible. I cannot do it without this. so it is not available in this. So what I have to do is I have to use this enhancer, but have to use the spoolie of another eyebrow pencil, or if you have a brush separately, spoolie brush, then you can use it. But that's the only drawback. I think they should give a spoolie over here, maybe later, I don't know. But that's all. I mean, this product is something which I would recommend you, and anyone who is struggling to find a perfect eyebrow enhancer or has been looking for something like this, I think you should go ahead with this. And I definitely think 599, I mean almost 600 rupees for an eyebrow pencil is quite costly, but then it's always good to invest in good products rather than investing in multiple products which does not give you good results. So I think it's a good purchase, and this is gonna run for an entire year, because so well, this is my recommendation for today. K Cosmetic Eyebrow Enhancer Eyebrow Pencil by K Cosmetic, and comes for 599 rupees. Comes in 3 shades: chestnut, walnut and hazelnut. Easily available online on Nykaa and Amazon, or wherever you think you can buy makeup from. It is available. You can just go ahead and buy it. I got it on a discount, so it costed me 509 rupees, and you can check out for whatever offers, coupons, discounts available, and go ahead and buy this particular eyebrow enhancer. It's really, really good, really good. I mean, after a long time I got a perfect eyebrow pencil, so I'm happy with this. So my recommendation would be eyebrow pencil by K Cosmetics.